Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today, we will be discussing about various types of corrective maintenance in CMMS software. Let's jump right into it. Corrective maintenance is a crucial aspect of any computerized maintenance management system, CMMS. It aims to rectify faults or defects in equipment after they have occurred. Within the realm of corrective maintenance, various approaches exist, each tailored to address specific issues efficiently. Let's delve into the different types of corrective maintenance commonly employed in CMMS software. 1. Emergency corrective maintenance. This type of maintenance is performed in response to critical failures that require immediate attention to prevent significant disruptions or safety hazards. Emergency corrective maintenance is characterized by its rapid response and aims to restore functionality swiftly. 2. Urgent corrective maintenance. Similar to emergency maintenance, urgent corrective maintenance addresses faults that demand prompt resolution but may not pose immediate threats. It prioritizes issues that could escalate into critical failures if left unattended for an extended period. 3. Routine corrective maintenance. Routine corrective maintenance involves scheduled interventions to address minor issues or deviations detected during routine inspections or preventive maintenance tasks. It aims to rectify problems before they escalate into major failures, thereby minimizing downtime and prolonging equipment lifespan. 4. Deferred corrective maintenance. In cases where resources or time constraints prevent immediate resolution of identified faults, deferred corrective maintenance is employed. This strategy involves postponing repairs to a later, more suitable time while ensuring the issue is adequately documented and monitored to prevent escalation. 5. Conditional corrective maintenance. This proactive approach to corrective maintenance leverages predictive analytics and condition monitoring data to anticipate potential failures based on equipment performance trends. By preemptively addressing underlying issues, conditional corrective maintenance helps mitigate downtime and optimize asset reliability. 6. Reactive corrective maintenance. Reactive maintenance, though not proactive, is a necessary component of corrective maintenance. It involves addressing faults as they arise, often in response to user-reported issues or unexpected failures. While reactive maintenance is inherently less efficient than proactive approaches, it remains essential for handling unforeseen circumstances. 7. Predictive corrective maintenance. Building upon the principles of predictive maintenance, this type of corrective maintenance utilizes advanced analytics and machine learning algorithms to forecast equipment failures with high accuracy. By identifying potential issues before they occur, predictive corrective maintenance enables timely interventions, ultimately reducing downtime and maintenance costs. In conclusion, the effectiveness of corrective maintenance in CMMS software depends on employing the right strategy for each scenario. By understanding the nuances of various corrective maintenance types and leveraging the capabilities of modern CMMS platforms, organizations can optimize asset reliability, minimize downtime, and enhance operational efficiency. We hope this information has been useful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care.